Hello my dear students. Now today we will quickly recapitulate the chapter number 2, changes around us, or we can say changes in neighborhood and school. Now what we study in this chapter is what is change. What do you mean by change? Everything in the world changes. Look at an old photograph of yourself when you were just 2 years old. Do you look the same today? No, just because of change. Change is the way in which things become different, either because of time or because of difference in place, people, etc. Today, you lead a life which is very different from the one that your grandparents lived. Change in lifestyle. With the time, lifestyle is also changing. Lifestyle, the way in which people live their life. Lifestyle means the way in which people live their life. Changes in lifestyle means, for example, earlier we used to study in school with the help of blackboard and the chalk, but nowadays everyone knows we use smart boards in our classroom. Just because of the change in the lifestyle, changes in the technology, we used to switch our old things with the new ones. पहले हम लोग ब्लैक बोर्ड यूज़ करते थे पढ़ने के लिए, जिसपे मैम चॉक यूज़ कर पढ़ाती थी, बट नाउ अ डेज वी यूज स्मार्ट क्लास टू लर्न द चैप्टर्स इन अवर स्कूल. स्मार्ट क्लास में हम चॉक भी नहीं यूज़ करते हैं. देन वी कैन ऑल्सो यूज़ द कंप्यूटर फॉर अंडरस्टैंडिंग द चैप्टर्स इन अ बेटर वे. Lifestyles also changes in other ways also. For example, earlier we used to sit in a restaurants and talk with our parents, but nowadays everyone is busy in their own life. Everyone busy with their phones. मोबाइल फोन्स पर सब बिजी रहते हैं और आपस में हम लोगों ने चिट चैट करना ख़त्म कर दिए. सो दिस इज़ द चेंजेस इन द लाइफस्टाइल. पहले हमारे पास फ़ोन नहीं था तो हम लोग अपने आपस में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बात करते थे. Now lifestyles has various parts in which our lives changes in the sense of food, houses, clothes, traditions and work. Our food is changing, our types of houses is changing, clothes are changing, our traditions are changing, and the way we work also changing. Earlier we used to eat simple food. जब हमारे grandparents, हमारे parents थे, they used to eat only दाल चावल रोटी सब्जी etc. But now we like to eat pizzas, burgers, right? French fries etc. Earlier we used to eat simple meal cooked at home by our mother. We enjoyed that meal with our brother and sister eating together at our home. But now we sit at our home and order the food online, right? With time, our lifestyle is changing. We are changing our lifestyles in food, work, clothes, houses, etc. Food habits of people have changed over the years. Earlier, people ate simple meal using the food crops, spices available on their farmland. But today, we get to eat a variety of food, not only those belonging to our country, but the world over. Now, change in the work. Changes in work also seems to be changing in a very, very fast way. If you look around, you will observe that different people do different types of work. Some do more physical work, while some work in offices. In villages, People are more engaged in agriculture, but in cities, people usually work in private companies or government offices. Some people set up their own business and trade in goods and services. In workplace, you can also observe change. In the offices and the other government companies or private companies, people are working formally, but nowadays some people work from home also. They sit comfortably at their home place, they eat and drink and work easily from their home only. You can say people have set their own business at their home. They work freely, they are not bound of time or anything. They work freely from their home. Okay, now our next topic is changes in clothes. You can also observe very drastic changes in clothes. If you look at your old album or an old family picture, do you wear the same kind of clothes that your parents or grandparents wore? No, simply no. There has been a vast change in the type of clothes people wear today. Earlier, people wore more simple and traditional clothes, but today there are more varieties in clothes in terms of design, style, color, and fabric. And nowadays, people wear more modern clothes. Moreover, people in different parts of India wear different types of clothes depending upon their religion, culture, age, and climatic conditions. India is a land rich in traditions and customs. Different traditions and customs are practiced in different parts of our country. However, with the increase in education and social awareness, people are now adopting a more modern outlook towards their life. Earlier, people used to wear more traditional clothes, but nowadays, people are adapting to more modern clothes, right? Now, mostly they wear jeans, shirts, skirts, etc. to look more modern. Now, our next topic is change in the houses. Over the years, a lot of changes have taken place in the shape and the structure of the houses. Earlier, the houses were big and spacious, where joint families lived all together. But today, the houses in the cities are small and usually built in an apartment. A wide difference in build-up of the houses can be seen in different parts of our country, depending upon the climate of the place. Earlier in the village, we used to see mud houses. Then we come to see in the cities there are large spacious houses. But nowadays, apartments are very famous. People are shifting in an apartment house. Reasons for change: changing schools, changing classrooms, everything is changing. We are adapting a new phase of learning and the technologies for the learning, etc. Our classrooms are also changing. Why the classrooms are changing? Just because of the change in the technology. Earlier, we used to study with the help of blackboard, but nowadays our classrooms are smart classrooms. We use smart boards to study more effectively. We use computers, we use internet connections to study our chapters and learn them more effectively. Now, thank you class for watching this video. Now, in the next term, we will continue with some other topic left in the chapter and we quickly complete the recapitulation of this chapter. Hope you all are fine. Thank you.